In this video, we're going to show you how to do an SEO competitive analysis. We won't just cover how to figure out which keywords your competitors are going after. We'll also suggest ways you can use this information to learn about any competitor's overall marketing strategy. First, a quick breakdown of how this works. When you think of dripping faucet, you think of your favorite hardware store. But the association becomes even more powerful if that store's website has content on every associated topic. You might initially search for how to fix a leaky faucet, but you'll follow that search up with others. If the website can answer every query you have, you'll begin to trust it, and you'll trust its product recommendations more too. In the end, you might buy more than just a new cartridge, and the more you buy, the more profit the store makes. It works the same in any industry. Businesses will identify topic clusters around which to create content. These topics will be very relevant to the business and to the pain points they're trying to solve for their customers. Content writers do research to find keywords their target audience is searching for, and they answer those queries with content to build trust, frame themselves as an authority, and eventually sell more products. If you can figure out which keywords your competitors are targeting, you can learn more about the topics that are important to them and their customers. For example, if a competitor has 5 times as many pages on DIY plumbing jobs as it does on installing shelves, the plumbing content probably brings the business more leads and makes it more money. Use information like this to fill gaps in your own content strategy and start to capture more leads and more business. We'll use SEMrush to demonstrate, but you can use any good free or paid tool to do this, including Ahrefs Webmaster Tools, SpyFu, or Answer the Public, to name a few. On the simplest level, you can even just manually check out your competitors' content on their website. Some tips on this. Pay attention to the website's folder structure for clues into how its content is organized into topics. Many sites also have tag pages or category pages you can use to learn more about the highest level subjects your competitors are interested in. Create a list of competitors to examine and run them through the following processes in your SEO tool of choice to identify keywords that are important to your competitor. First, look for keyword gaps where one or more of your competitor ranks well for a keyword that you do not. In SEMrush, you can use the keyword gap tool to compare the keywords one website ranks for with one or more competitors. Let's say you're Home Depot. Enter your domain and a competitor's domain, like Lowe's, and you can select the keywords your competitor is ranking for that you're missing. You can also filter for keywords you rank for in common, or those you rank for that your competitor doesn't. This might mean your strategy needs reworking, or it could mean you've identified a niche your competitors have missed. Initial results might be a little sensitive. Filter further by search intent and crank up the keyword difficulty to a reasonable number to filter out odd results. This will help you map the differences and similarities in your website's domain profiles. With further analysis, you'll be able to map these keywords to respective pages on your competitor's website. Remember to ask yourself, how good are these pages? Are they ranking in spite of poor efforts, or is your competitor clearly pouring effort in? If it's a part of your competitor's strategy, they'll be putting clear and visible effort into producing high-quality pages with informative content. Use your keyword research to identify effort and therefore what your competitor values. But there's more to SEO than just keywords, and other SEO-related metrics can help you learn more about your competitors' marketing strategies. Consider their backlink profile too. Does it look like your competitor has spent time and money trying to get backlinks from particular websites or particular types of websites? The law of effort also applies here. So if the answer is yes, you've learned something useful. If a competitor values votes of confidence from websites in a particular niche, ask yourself if it could bring your own strategy to target similar brands and websites. In SEMrush, head to the Backlink Analytics tool and enter your competitor's website or a specific page into the search field. Head to either the backlinks or referring domains report and filter on things like minimum number of backlinks per domain, link location on the page, and even the referring domain's authority score. Technical SEO is another example. On-page SEO work, like optimizing headers and metadata, isn't that time-consuming, but clearly tells you how your competitor wants searchers to see the page. Page speed metrics, too, can tell you a lot about the pages your competitor is prioritizing. While it might not be surprising if landing pages for key products are optimized for speed, when content pages answering informational queries are speed optimized, it's worth paying attention. These pages are probably worth something to the business and might be generating them valuable leads. To see this information, head to pagespeed.web.dev to use Google's own tool to test competitor web pages for speed. You can always dive deeper down the rabbit hole. You can examine your competitor's presence on social media, check out online reviews, and look at paid keyword data in Google AdWords to get a sense of what their paid search team values as well. Combine that information with what you found from your SEO competitor analysis to learn even more about your competitors' overall marketing strategies. Finally, make sure you consider what your findings mean for your own marketing strategy. Don't just blindly copy what your competitors are doing. Use your findings to identify weaknesses in your strategy and to fill gaps in your existing content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Make sure to check out the additional resources in the description, and we'll see you next time.